to make this chicken soup, first take your Instapot and put it on saute. Once it's on the saute setting, add your choice of fat. Here I am using bacon fat, but you can use coconut oil or whatever your preferred fat or oil. Next, I'm going to take this mirepoix. This is available at your local grocery store over by the produce section. It's carrots, onions, and celery. Use as much or as little as you like. I'm going to be using 2 boxes of organic chicken broth. One of them is a bone broth back there for this soup, so it's quite a bit. Again, use as much or as little as you like. I'm going to just stuff the whole thing in. Again, this is the saute setting. This is a great easy button item, especially if you're sick and you don't want to have to stand up more than you need to. You want to stir that in. And while this is cooking, what you're going to do is, if you don't have any chicken left over, what I recommend is getting one of these oven roasted birds that are pre-made. This is the rotisserie chicken that you can buy at your local grocery store, usually in the ready-made section, and that is going to be the chicken for the chicken soup. So again, if you have roasted chicken already, that's great. If you're sick and you don't have something on hand, this is a great alternative. Please be advised that depending on where you get your chicken, you might have some ingredients that you don't like. We're a little bit more flexible with our keto, and considering that I have a sick person in the house, we're going to go with this. Checking back here, you want to keep it going. That's looking really nice. Oh, smelling really nice as well. Some other things I have here, I'm going to season this with some poultry spice. Poultry spice, which is sage, rosemary, and thyme. I've got some garlic powder, turmeric, because I'm Indian and turmeric is good for you. And I put it in everything. Himalayan salt to add the salt. And over here I have some California garlic powder. Again, you can add or remove any of these ingredients based on the way that you prefer to keto. I also wanted to bring up that one of these is chicken bone broth, and I'm going to be adding this as the main soup base for this meal. I'm going to get to taking this chicken apart so that I can add it to my chicken soup. Okay, I'm back. I've taken apart the breast meat of the chicken. I'm leaving the skin on. There's no, doesn't harm the chicken, it's soup at all. At this point, my vegetables are looking nice and tender. Right here. Oh, it smells wonderful. I have lightly seasoned it with salt and pepper. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start adding my chicken. Nice amount of chicken. This is bone broth. Bone broth and chicken broth. This is just what I happen to have at home. Okay. Season with a little bit. That. Turmeric is so good for you. And then I'm going to take some poultry seasoning. And now I'm going to add some of this. I forgot to mention just black pepper too. Any other spices that you like. Lid is secure. You hear that little chime. And soup broth. And we're in business. Rapid release. Once it's done cooking. Okay, steam is stopped, button is down, and open it up, and voila, you have delicious chicken soup. It's probably going to be low on salt. Adjust salt the way you like, add pepper, and you are ready to go. And here is the delicious chicken out of the Instapot and into my bowl. If you've got a sinus thing going, you're congested up, not feeling so great, and you have a tolerance for heat, here's an idea. add some sriracha sauce. If you don't know about sriracha, it's so delicious. I'm one of those people that puts sriracha on my sriracha. It contains less than 1 carb per teaspoon. Super duper good. Will open up those sinuses like crazy. But remember, a little goes a long way. I hope this has been a helpful recipe for you and that I will be bringing you more. Bon appetit. This is so good.